Good, I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Adapt.io tutorial for beginners. Adapt.io is a platform that allows you to do B2B prospecting quite quickly as a beginner. All you'll need to do is go onto adapt.io. Once on their platform, you'll be able to create an account for completely free. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing you can do is select Prospect Search from the top left-hand corner of the navigation bar. After selecting Prospect Search, you have two options. You can either search by company or you can search by contacts. So for example, if you have the contact name, this is the search result that I have done earlier for Amazon. And all I did was simply tap on companies right here. After you have done that, you can tap on company name. Then from here, you could type in the company that you would like to do research for. So for example, let's say I would like to do research on Nike. So I could type in Nike right here. Then I'm going to be selecting Nike.com. After you have done that, you're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap on See Matching Companies. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, as you can see right here, we have now found Nike. So all you'll need to do is tap on contacts right here. After you have tapped on contacts, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to get the contact for all individuals that work or are associated with Nike.com. Now, this is a lot of contacts, as you can see right there. There's over 37,000 contacts. So what I would recommend you do to filter this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. You can filter by job title. So you can type in the title right here that you'd like to search for. Or you can filter by department. So for example, I could select marketing department. So you can filter by that by selecting a department. You can also filter by level by tapping on level right here, whether you like to reach out to the VP, director level, or so on. You can also filter by location, and you can also tap right where you see email accuracy, and you can increase the email accuracy. At the moment it is set at 75%. If you would like to increase it, you can do that. So once you're finished doing your filtering, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on See Matching Contacts. Remember that I changed it to marketing. If I wanted to increase the email delivery right there to high, I could tap on that and you would see the percentage in the bottom right hand corner. You can just give it a few seconds. You can also zone down and you can filter it by revenue, by employee count, HQ address, or so on. You can zone down and do your different filtering. So you can see for a 95% high email delivery rate, it will be 3,989 contacts that I'll be receiving. So I'll tap on See Matching Contacts. After you have done that, you can see the contacts right here. So all you'll need to do now, you can tap on View and you'll be able to view the particular contact email address. If you like to find their phone number, you can tap on Find Phone Number. So you can see the email address right here for the Chief Marketing Officer of Vietnam branch of the Nike.com. So all you'll need to do, you can tap on Copy and you can copy this person's email address, and then from there you can do your outreach. If it is a case that you want their phone number, you could tap on Find, but you'll need to go onto the paid plan to find that. So you can see how you'll be able to easily do prospecting using Adapt.io. So no longer do you have to randomly guess or go through LinkedIn or any tedious tasks to find these contacts. You can simply use Adapt.io. And that's it. If you would like to integrate other platforms, you can do that. You can also view your list right here, your list of leads. So you can create a new leads list by tapping on Add New List. Then from there, you could type in your list name and tap on Create. After you have created your list, as you can see right here, so I can tap on All Leads. You can see right here the contact that I had suggested earlier. You can see it there. Now, if you would like to integrate other platforms, you can do that. You can integrate Salesforce, Pipedrive, and so on, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Adapt.io for prospecting.